Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll demonstrate how to accelerate video clips using Shotcut. It's a straightforward process if you follow these instructions. Begin by dragging your desired footage into the Shotcut timeline. Ensure the clip is placed right at the start so your project begins immediately. Currently, this 15-second video is playing at standard speed. To change this, click on the clip to select it, then navigate to the Properties panel. If the Properties tab isn't visible, simply click the Properties button in the top menu. Look for the speed field, which defaults to 1.0. To double the playback rate, delete the current value, type in 2, and click OK to apply it. You'll notice the clip on the timeline has shortened, indicating it's now twice as fast. When played back, the increase in speed is obvious. You can even set this to a higher value, like 10, for a much faster effect. Conversely, you can create slow motion by entering a decimal. For instance, typing 0.5 will reduce the speed to 50%. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.